Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. I have already made a video on creating dictionaries. Whoever saw that video might think dictionaries, everything about dictionary is done. But that's not it. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to add extra things to dictionaries. So, without any further delay, let's have fun with code. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's create a simple dictionary. Let's say it as info. Let's So I'm going to enter my channel data here. Number of subscribers are 46 for now, and I hope you'll help me make it 100 soon. And then we have views. Let's see how many views I've got. I have 1.7k views. 1.7. Okay, let's make this string. 1.7k, and then let's add watch hours. Watch hours I have 60 watch hours. So this is the list, and whenever you try to print the list, print whenever you try to print the dictionary, sorry for saying it as list, you get in a format like this. Subscribers are 46, views 1.7k, and watch hours are 60. So if you want to add anything, let's say, what do we add? And you see watch time from subscribers is less than the people who did not subscribe. If you watch my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and let's add number of videos. So we can do like this. We can just say number of we can just call info and then number of videos, and then we can just say equal to, and then we can pass in the number. I think I have 22 videos on my channel right now, and if you want to edit anything here, like if you want to change this to 47, you can even do that. INFO, and we are going to get the subscribers, and we are going to change the number to 47. So now it will print the info before and after. And before it says subscribers 46, and after it changed to 47, and we also got another section called number of videos. So you can add uh, objects like this, and you can even change uh, of the data of particular element. If you want to delete anything from the dictionary, you can even do that. So to do that, you just say info.pop and just enter the item. Suppose if I want to delete subscribers, I can do that. And after this, let's print info. And now when we run the program, first we have subscribers, and then after we don't have the subscribers. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel.